Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. I'm bringing you behind the scenes of a studio photo shoot. Today I'll be using the Sony A7RV in a variety of Sony lenses. Everything will be linked in the description box below, as well as the studio we're shooting at, which is called Sage in Seoul in Reston. Before we get into it, I want to thank my sponsor Squarespace for making this free photography video possible. Squarespace is the all-in-one platform for your website, domain, online store, even email list. I've been using Squarespace for 10 years. I started by using one of their beautiful designer templates and slowly upgraded myself to a custom coded website. But I wish that Squarespace Blueprint AI was around when I first launched my site 10 years ago. This is Squarespace's newest way to design your website using AI. All you have to do is enter information about your business, upload your fonts, your colors, and it will design for you an amazing template that you can go off of or use on its own. And what I love about Blueprint AI is you're no longer confined to a grid. So you can drag and drop and layer elements freely. I tried it for myself by building my website for my branding program, lightscamerabrand.com, and I actually went with a third-party seller over on Etsy who designs website templates. Whereas before Blueprint AI, this wasn't a thing. And in my opinion, it totally rivals other popular website platforms, but those other platforms don't have the analytics Squarespace does, the e-commerce abilities, the ability to host an email list and market to it. And seriously, in under a weekend, you can have a beautiful professional website to display your photography work that can grow with your business. Squarespace makes it very easy to implement SEO. In 2022, I did a blog post with the SEO information, but it was nothing too complicated from a Columbia graduation session. Last summer, I got 12 inquiries based off of that blog post. If it's time to create your website or give yours a major upgrade, check out Squarespace. You can go to squarespace.com to start your 14-day free trial. When you're ready to launch, you can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or a domain. With that being said, let's hop into the video. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of the setup. So this is a seasonal setup, LED light wall. We have the window light, the sheer curtains, which will be really beautiful and soft. And there's also this Einstein with an 85-inch umbrella modifier. Oh my gosh, let's have you bring one shoulder up high and then the other one down a little bit so we have a bit of asymmetry. Beautiful. I'm actually gonna have you, yes, I'm gonna have you roll your shoulders back and then it'll feel weird, but you're gonna lean forward. It just opens everything up. Yep, beautiful. Beautiful. Stunning. Love it. Gorgeous. How about with that other hand? What if you grab some of your dress? And I'm actually gonna have you grab it from down here so that we get a lot of fluff. Perfection. Oh my gosh. Cute. Let me just see how the light changed with the sun coming in. Oh, perfect. Beautiful. And then with the other hand, what if you bring it up like this? Yep, beautiful. And then you can almost have it out like, yep, beautiful. And then turn your wrists opposite way a little bit. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, gorgeous. Let me just make sure that the sunlight looks good. Okay, beautiful. Gorgeous. That's so pretty. Love it. Beautiful. Okay, let me make sure that the sunlight, yep, everything looks great. Let me switch my lens. Let's have both hands up by your face and we can do one at your cheekbone. Yeah, beautiful. And then let's do the other hand. What if you bring it to your chest like this? Yep, beautiful.
This one feels more natural.
More natural?
This one feels awkward for some reason.
Okay, perfect, perfect. So whichever one feels natural, I'm gonna have you put on your chest and then the other one up on your face. Beautiful. And then is it okay if I adjust your hand? Okay, I'm just gonna go do, do, do. I'm gonna have you turn your wrists out so I see, yep, beautiful. Oh my gosh. Hair looks amazing. Everything looks, you look so gorgeous. Okay, you know what could be really cute too? Are you comfortable to sit on the ground and we can have it like fluffed up all by you? Okay, beautiful. So I will have you sit, actually, I'm gonna have you sit right here so I can get the white and the LED light background. Ooh, what if you hold it and you kind of have it close to your face? A little glam moment with the sequin. Oh my gosh, that's so glam. Do that again where you kind of, yeah, gorge, and then pop your eyes up at me. Okay, work. Yeah, your hair is perfect. Oh my gosh. That's gorge. Okay, and then just to make things even more complicated with the front hand, I'm gonna have you rotate it. So, yep, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my word. Bring your face this way a little bit. Yep, gorge, gorge, gorge. Oh my gosh, beautiful. This is just a random one, but just so you can see the colors.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Kind of a bit of like, why am I out of breath so much lately?
The colors are so pretty.
I love, like, you have such a good eye for color, and it literally, this blue goes with your eyeshadow perfectly. You look so good.
It. Thank you.
Gorgeous. I'm gonna have you maybe bring both your hands up with the little fluff. Yeah, gorge. And then lean forward ever so slightly. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. That's so gorge. Oh my gosh, amazing. Love it. And then with this hand that's here, just go doot. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous. That's so pretty. Ooh, do that again where you're looking to the side and then bring your face up ever so slightly. Yeah, gorge, gorge, gorge. Bring your face up even more. Yes, cheekbone. Come on now. She said, okay, cheekbone. Gorge. That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you look so stunning. What if we do a bunch of the feathery fluff, like almost, I wonder if we just bring the train over your shoulders to bring like the feather. Yes, exactly. Oh my gosh, I love. So then with your palms, just turn them. Sorry, it makes everything like. No. There we go.
Just trying to cover that up, that ugly thing.
Thank you. And I can also Photoshop it out of it too. But thank you, it saves the time. Okay, what if you even like cross over and then just with your hands, fold them. So I see like your side profile of the hands. Ooh, she's in the winter time. Ooh, cold. So cute. Let me adjust your hair.
Purple fluff coat.
Purple fluff. The most practical for the cold weather we're having.
Warm, actually, shockingly.
I know, it's even warm in here. I was like, the past like couple of days, I'm like,
I know, it's weird.
I'm like, does Leadbug need her summertime haircut already? But it's gonna go back to.
And then it's gonna get cold.
Yes, exactly. Beautiful. What if I have you turn your whole body slightly this way towards the LED light? Oh, actually, ooh, this way actually was perfect. Yes. Okay, side prof. Oh, this one is so OMG. This moment, a little over the shoulder. Drop your shoulder ever so slightly. Yep, beautiful. And then pop your eyes up at me. Ooh, hope in the eye be like, ooh, yeah. I don't know why, like, hope in the eyes, like, is it some people are like,
hope in the
I know, it's just so funny.
Sparkling.
Yeah, literally. Gorge. OMG.
Where's that sparkle?
Beautiful. I'm like, have a sparkle in your eye? And people be like, yes. Oh, gorge, gorge. I'm gonna have you sit on the pink couch. Love. Ooh, come on now. Beautiful. So stunning.
Glam.
Yes, the ultimate glam ever. Love it. Yes, 100%. Come on now. Beautiful. OMG, that's so pretty. You look amazing. Gorge. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Let me just check the light one more time. I think I'll have you actually more against this window. And let me bring the light in. Yeah, and then we get that beautiful like fluff. And I'm gonna grab some of this. And yes, and I'm gonna have you bend your elbow for me.
You want me to hold the dress or not?
Let's do, ooh, I even like, come on now, posing. That was beautiful. I'll just have your hand up like this. Maybe without the dress, you could just kind of have your hand up like this. Yep, beautiful. Almost like princess kind of hands. Yes, gorgeous. Beautiful. With your hand, I'm going to have you, how about go like this? Yep, perfection. Tilt your face the opposite way. It'll feel kind of weird. Yep, actually other way. Sorry about that. Yep, perfect. Lean forward ever so slightly. Yep, beautiful. And then pop your eyes at me. Yes, that is so, oh my gosh. And now what if you put both hands kind of on the window ledge? Yes, perfection. Actually, I'll bring this one up just for this. Oh my gosh. Look in the camera how amazing you look.
Oh my gosh.
You look so glam.
So glam. I
Oh,
love it.
perfect. Yes, I'm like, it is so gorgeous. Okay, beautiful. I'll have you actually separate your, have your head separated from your hand ever so slightly so we get that beautiful silhouette of your, yes, of your hair. Gorge. Beautiful. And then I'll have you drop that hand completely and just have it, oh, sorry, the front one can kind of be up on the curtain. Yeah, beautiful.
Will the other one drop it?
Let's have you just have it actually on the curtain as well. Yep, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, you look so gorgeous. And then now with this hand, I'm gonna have you grab a little bit of the fluff from, oh my gosh, you look so glam. Oh, OMG, gorgeous. Do, do, do. Bring your, bring this hand, this arm now like across your chest. Yeah, beautiful, or across your, yeah. And then, yep, I was just gonna say, bend your elbow quite a bit and then have it like this. Yep, yep, beautiful.
Should I do it for both? Maybe no.
Yeah, let's do it. And then with this hand, flip it so you're grabbing, yep, exactly, exactly. Now actually, can I have you come even closer to the window and like almost turn, have one, you're like bouncing off your elbow almost. Yeah, beautiful. Yep, perfect. Beautiful. Make sure the light, OMG, you look so gorgeous. Let me just adjust so I see your earring. Seriously, you are so photogenic. Like so beautiful. Let me check the light real quick. Oh yeah, that is gorge. OMG. Beautiful. Beautiful. OMG. You look so gorge and look in the little thing so you see the color.
Oh, so fun.
Ooh, this moment. Okay, that's so cute. With your fist, just go like this. So I see. Yeah, that's OMG. Come on now. It's the natural posing. Make sure the light looks good. Oh my gosh. So stay just like that with your front hand. With your back hand, I'm gonna have you drop it. Yep. Yep, perfection. Oh my gosh, give me hope in the eye. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is cute B-roll. Oh my gosh, love it. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Just with your front, with this hand, go deep. Yep, beautiful. That's so glam. Oh my gosh, cute. Ooh, flip your wrist. Yep, beautiful. Gorge. What if we do one hand up by, yes, exactly, exactly. And then with this hand, just flip it so yep, exactly, exactly. OMG. Let me make sure the light, stunning. Drop your face ever so slightly. Ooh, ooh, she really hit him with the monarchy.
Picture of me like holding the crown.
Yes, 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 yes.
Whenever I've seen that.
Swing your elbows into your, yes, 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 beautiful. Let me see how the light looks. Okay, let me scoot back a little bit more. Sorry, Kylie. Okay, that is everything. Waist is ultimate snatched right now. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's perfect. These are so cute.
Fun.
I love, oh my gosh, they look so good.
I love it.
You are seriously so stunning. If you're a photographer looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is the best place to ask questions about your specific photography business. Whether you want an extra set of eyes on a gallery before you send it to a client, or you need help drafting a response to a difficult client situation, Build and Bloom is my best free resource. Find it on Facebook groups, and you can also listen and learn to the Build and Bloom Photography podcast wherever you get your podcast. I believe in you, and I believe in your business. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your business come out, and I will see you in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.